Hey guys, this is Miss Jacobson. Today we're going to be talking about commonly confused words. So in your ELA OneNote, you need to open up the page called CCW, Commonly Confused Words, CCW Notes, and we're going to fill them in. Our lesson goal is we will be able to distinguish between commonly confused words and select the one with the correct meaning. There are a lot of words that either look or sound the same but have different meanings, and so people get them confused. We're going to start learning some of those words so that when it comes to our STAR test, we're not going to be tripped up. We'll know the difference between those words. As we go along, fill in your notes with the words that are red. What you see on the slide should be word for word what's on your notes page. You write the part in red. So our first set of words is there, and there. There with a they apostrophe R-E means they are. It's a contraction. They are going to the store. There. There with an E-I-R means something belongs to them. It shows ownership. Their house is painted red. There with an H-E-R-E means that place. It's a location. One cool trick for this word is that if you cover up the T at the beginning, it says here. So you can always remember that it's a place. That's the place word, because if you cover up the T, it says here. Are you going there after school? Pause the video if you need more time to fill in the notes. Our second set of words is your and your. You apostrophe R-E means you are. It's a contraction of the verb you are. You're not going to pass if you don't do your homework. The second your, Y-O-U-R, means something belongs to you. It shows ownership. Did you bring your jacket to school today? Again, pause the video if you need more time to fill in the notes. Our third set of words is its and its. This one is tricky because it doesn't follow the rule that you think you should know. Most of the time when you see an apostrophe S, we always want to think that means that that word owns something. But its is the exception. IT apostrophe S means it is. It's a contraction. So if I say IT apostrophe S, that means it is. It's going to snow on Tuesday. IT apostrophe S, it is. If I wanted to say something belongs to it, so for instance, the car lost its rear view mirror. That word is written ITS. It's an exception. A possessive its, an its that owns something, does not have an apostrophe. It's the exception to the rule. Again, pause the video if you need more time to fill in the notes. Our next set of words is two, and two. TWO means the number. It's also written as the number 2. TOO means much, many, or also. So I've had too many Diet Dr. Peppers, true story. That means I've had an excessive amount of Diet Dr. Peppers. I've had more than I need. Or it can mean I want to do something also. I want to go, my little brother is going to Six Flags. I want to go too. I want to go also. One way to remember this word is to think, notice how it has 2 O's at the end. So I always think 2 O's is too many. TO means a direction, or it's the word that you put in front of a verb. So I'm going to school. What direction am I going? To school. Or I'm going to run. TO goes in front of a verb, or it's a direction. Again, pause the video if you need more time. Our next set of words is were and we're. Were is the past tense of we are. It's a past tense verb, so we were going to bake a chocolate cake, but then we lost power. We were going to bake a chocolate cake in the past, but then we lost power. We're, W-E'-R-E, means we are. It's a present tense verb. It's something that's happening right now. We're going to bake a chocolate cake tomorrow instead. We are going to bake a chocolate cake tomorrow instead. Again, pause the video if you need more time. Our last set of words is wear and wear. Wear with an A-R means to put on clothes. I like to wear lots of blue because blue is my favorite color. Where with an H-E-R means a place. It's a location or a question. Where did you find your pencil? I am going where I can think without hearing all of you talk. Again, you can use the same trick for this one as you use for there. If you cover up the W, it says here, so you know it's a place word. Once you've finished filling in these notes, there's a practice. So make sure you turn in the notes to the notes link and the practice to the practice link because they're two different assignments and I don't want you to not get credit for them.